This will give our contestants the opportunity to showcase not only their intelligence and eloquence, but also their ability to think under pressure. Okay, so I already have the question. Yeah, okay, we will check first because we will only have one question for all the top 5 Ginoos. And same thing will go to our top 5 Binibinis. Nire-ready lang po na siguradong hindi nila maririnig sa likod yung ating katanungan.
That is very important. Ang fairness para sa ating competition. As early as now, congratulations again to our top 5 Ginoo at Binibini Sariaya finalists. All right, we're just waiting for a thumbs up coming from one of our organizers tonight. We're all set and ready and good to go.
All right. So, Javi, I will be giving the questions to our Ginoos, and later on, you will be asking our Binibinis.
How are you doing tonight? Let's have a quick casual interview. How are you doing tonight? Tonight, how do you feel? Nakasama ka ngayon sa top 5 finalists sa Ginoo Sariaya 2025.
Nag-enjoy talaga ako. Lahat ng moments, sinulit ko.
Okay, so Ginoo, Isa, Ginoo number 1, are you ready? Parang wala naman siyang choice kundi maging ready. Sorry, ako na yung sumagot. Okay, so for your question.
But let me just go ahead and inform you na no time limit sa pag-express mo ng iyong thoughts and opinions regarding sa question na mapapabigay sa iyo. Good luck.
So would you like the question to be asked in Filipino or English?
Tagalog.
Okay. Ayaw niya ng Filipino, Tagalog na. Joke lang. Okay. So, ito ang iyong katanungan, Ginoo number 1. Pakinggang mabuti. Ulitin ko ng 2 beses. Ipinagdiriwang ng bayan ng Sariaya ngayong araw ang taunang Agawan Festival bilang pagpupugay kay San Isidro Labrador. Ano ang hindi maaagaw sa iyo at ano din ang bagay na maaari mong ipaagaw sa iba at bakit? Ginoo number 1, uulitin ko ang katanungan. Ipinagdiriwang ng bayan ng Sariaya ngayong araw ang taunang Agawan Festival bilang pagpupugay kay San Isidro Labrador. Ano ang hindi maaagaw sa iyo? At ano din ang bagay na maaari mong ipaagaw sa iba at bakit?
Magandang gabi ngayon. Magandang gabi sa inyo. Ang may bibigay ko lang na ang may bibigay ko lang na payo sa mga kabataan ay ang pagiging matatag at pagiging malakas. Bakit? Dahil ang pagiging malakas ay sumisimbolo kung ano nga tayo. Ang pagiging matatag naman ay sumisimbolo kung ano ang nararapat para sa atin. At kung pipiliin man ako, thank you.
Okay. Yun po ang kasagutan ng ating Ginoo number 1. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much. Let's give them a big round of applause. Ginoo number 1, Mr. Isaac Miralles.
All right, so we are now waiting to our second Ginoo for his question. Ayan na.
Hello.
Okay, so we have our Ginoo number 7. Here's your mic. So Ginoo number 7, Anong meron sa likod? Anong meron sa likod? Yun talagang tanong. May naririnig ba kayo? Ano bang naririnig nyo doon?
Wala po kaming naririnig.
May music? Or,
Meron po music, then party songs.
Alright. So, ready ka na ba?
Yes po.
Okay, so our Ginoo number 7, would you like question to be asked in English or Filipino?
Filipino po.
Okay, so here's your question, Ginoo number 7. Pakinggang mabuti at uulitin ko ng 2 beses. Ginoo number 7, ipinagdiriwang ng bayan ng Sariaya ngayong araw ang Taunang Agawan Festival bilang pagpupugay kay San Isidro Labrador. Ano ang hindi maaagaw sa iyo at ano din ang bagay na maaari mong ipaagaw sa iba at bakit? Uulitin ko, ipinagdiriwang ng bayan ng Sariaya ngayong araw ang Taunang Agawan Festival bilang pagpupugay kay San Isidro Labrador. Ano ang hindi maaagaw sa iyo at ano din ang bagay na maaari mong ipaiagaw sa iba at bakit?
Ang kultura pong hindi maagaw sa akin ay ang magpasalamat sa Panginoon dahil ang kultura ng San Isidro Labrador ay tayo'y nagpapasalamat sa masaganang ani at magandang agrikultura ng ating bayan. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, Ginoo number 7.
Thank you very much, Ginoo number 7, Mark Xavier Rosales.
Aminin nyo, nabitin kayo. Ganon talaga, kailangan may suspense, minsan binibitin.
Alright, again, there's no time limit sa pagbigay nila ng kanilang opinion tungkol sa question na ibibigay sa kanila. Now, let us have the next finalist, all finalists. And I would like to say good evening to Dr. Soler. Magandang gabi po. And
Good evening po.
Sir Val Ponce de Chavez. Good evening.
Nasaan na po ang ating pangatlong
May gusto ka
Ginoo?
bang pasalamatan partner tonight? This is a perfect time for that.
Yes, it's time for that. So once again, I would like to thank Obra by Ace de las Alas and Richard Arpon for my hair and makeup. Thank you very much. Ayan na.
Very excited for the next. Hello?
Okay. Hi, Ginoo number 8. So I bet you are already ready for your question. Hinga muna ng malalim. Okay lang. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, Ginoo number 8. Would you like your question to be asked in English or Filipino?
English.
Okay, wait lang. Kasi bukas pa, wala pang music sa likod. Okay.
Okay, thank you very much again. One of our sponsors tonight, Faces Skin Lab Philippines. Marami pong salamat. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Your question will be asked in English. So here's your question, Ginoo number 8. Sariaya celebrates today the annual Agawan Festival in honor of San Isidro Labrador. What is something that no one can ever take away from you, and what is something you are willing to share or give to others, and why? Let me repeat the question. Sariaya celebrates today the annual Agawan Festival in honor of San Isidro Labrador. What is it something that no one can ever take away from you? And what is something you are willing to share or give to others, and why?
I believe that one thing is the ability to never give up. Growing up, I faced challenges and adversities, but instead of sulking, I used them as stepping stones for growth. And this is the message that I want to give to everyone, to my fellow Sayayans, that they have the strength to rise above these challenges. Thank you so much, and good evening.
Thank you very much.
Ginoo number 8. There you have it, Ginoo number 8.
Thank you very much. Ginoo number 8, Leonard Curanchea.
Okay. Nakakatuwa. Parang, joke lang ah. Parang gusto kong antukin na pang bedroom voice. Lalo na alas 12 na parang gusto mo nang matulog. Ayan na. I think our fourth Ginoo is ready.
It's all set and ready to go. Ginoo number 12.
Okay. Okay na po ba? Alright, Ginoo number 12. Hinga ng malalim. Relax to get ready for the question.
Yes, po.
Okay, so Ginoo number 12, do you want your question to be asked in Filipino or English?
Pilipino po.
Okay. Makinig at uulitin ko ng 2 beses. Ito ang iyong katanungan. Ipinagdiriwang ng bayan ng Sariaya ngayong araw ang taunang Agawan Festival bilang pagpupugay kay San Isidro Labrador. Ano ang hindi maaagaw sa iyo at ano din ang bagay na maaari mong ipaagaw sa iba at bakit? Uulitin ko, ipinagdiriwang ng bayan ng Sariaya ngayon ang taunang Agawang Festival bilang pagpupugay kay San Isidro Labrador. Ano ang hindi maaagaw sa iyo at ano din ang bagay na maaari mong ipaagaw sa iba at bakit?
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Naniniwala po ako sa mundong ginagalawan natin, madaming bagay ang pwedeng maagaw sa atin. Ngayong araw na to, pinagdiriwang natin ng Agawang Festival. At ang bagay na pwedeng maagaw sa akin ay ang kayamanan at kasikatan. Ngunit, may bagay ako na hindi maagaw sa akin kahit sino man. Yun ay ang karanasan na natutunan ko sa patimpalak na to. Yung pong karanasan na yon ang magbibigay sa akin at magbubukas ng bagong pinto tungo sa magandang kinabukasan na naghihintay para po sa akin. Kaya naman po, sa mga gantong patimpalak, dapat po natin isipin ang ating pamilya at Diyos. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Ginoo number 12, John Yulian Martinez.
Okay, thank you, Ginoo number 12.
We are down to our last finalist para sa mga Ginoos, but definitely not the least. Now, good luck to our one of our finalists tonight, Ginoo number 14.
Okay, Ginoo number 14. Handa ka na ba para sa iyong katanungan?
Yes po.
Ayan. Do you feel any pressure right now?
Super pressure po since
Pressure daw. Kala ko sasabihin niya, I don't feel any pressure right now. Okay. So, gusto mo ba ang iyong katanungan ay sa Filipino or English?
Pilipino po.
Okay. So, Ginoo number 14, uulitin ko ng 2 beses ang katanungan. Ang iyong katanungan ay, ipinagdiriwang ng bayan ng Sariaya ngayong araw ang taunang Agawan Festival bilang pagpupugay kay San Isidro Labrador. Ano ang hindi maaagaw sa iyo at ano din ang bagay na maaari mong ipaagaw sa iba at bakit? Ipinagdiriwang ng bayan ng Sariaya ngayon ang taunang Agawan Festival bilang pagpupugay kay San Isidro Labrador. Ano ang hindi maaagaw sa iyo at ano din ang bagay na maaari mong ipaagaw sa iba at bakit?
Ang hindi ko po hahayaan na maagaw ng iba ay ang aking kasiyahan ngayong gabi. Pagkos ngayong gabi, ang magsisilbing inspirasyon ng aking buhay patungo po sa aking pangarap bilang isang pageantry po na talaga pong sumusubok po sa araw-araw na pati sa ganito pong klaseng patimpalak ay palagi ko pong inaalala ang advokasya na gusto kong mangyari. Na ang gusto ko pong maging advokasya ay maging isang role model sa ating batang Sariayahin. At gusto ko rin po na balang araw ang mga susunod na magiging candidate figures ay titingalain ako at makikita ko sa screen na ako yon. At alam nilang Ako ang gagayahin nila pagdating ng panahon. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, Ginoo number 14.
Ginoo number 14 is Gabriel Diaz-Salo.
Ayan, Haki, we are done with the top 5 Ginoo for their question and answer. You know, Haki, before we call up here on stage the Binibinis for their question and answer, talaga namang napakahirap, di ba? Yung pressure, napakahirap
That is
sumagot
correct.
ng katanungan dito kapag nandito ka na sa stage.
Alright, now let's proceed ang ating final question and answer round. This time with our Binibinis. I think everybody's excited to know kung sino ang bagong tatanghalin na Ginoon Binibining Sariaya 2025. Hello, Binibini 16. How are you feeling tonight?
Hello po. I am very happy na patuloy na sumusuporta ang aking mga kabarangay, kapamilya ng aking mga kaibigan.
You have a lot of supporters tonight. Congratulations. Okay, here is your final question. You like your question to be asked in English or in Tagalog?
Tagalog po.
All right, in Filipino. This is your question. Sa iyong palagay, lahat ba sa buhay ay nakatadhana na o tao ang gumagawa ng kanyang kapalaran? At bakit? Sa iyong palagay, lahat ba sa buhay ay nakatadhana na o tao ang gumagawa ng kanyang kapalaran? Bakit?
Thank you. Para po sa akin, tao ang mismo gumagawa ng kanyang kapalaran. Dahil bilang isang binibining Sariaya at isang anak na nagtatrabaho sa DSWD at anak ng isang negosyante, doon ko po naipakita sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa akin kung gaano kaimportante ang pagkakaroon ng malasakit, respeto at pagmamahal sa kapwa. Bilang binibining Sariaya, doon ko po naipapakita na ang isang tao ay gumagawa ng kanyang kapalaran. Kaya naman nandito po ako sa inyong harapan para tanghalin bilang binibining Sariaya. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, Binibini 16.
Our Binibini number 16, Francesca Gwyneth Idea.
Nakakatuwa pong makita ang ating selection committee members.
Oo.
Kung kayo po ang nasa stage, talagang grabe ang deliberation ng ating mga judges. Now let us have our next Binibini finalist. Ooh, we're getting really closer sa ating crowning moment. Now let us have Binibini 22. Hi, how are you doing tonight?
I'm so happy to be able to be part of the top 5. I just wanted to say hi to my family and friends out there. Thank you for watching and staying late at night just to watch and witness this coronation.
All right, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
All right, let's do this. You like your question to be asked in English or in Tagalog?
In Tagalog.
In Tagalog. All right, here we go. This is your final question and good luck. Sa iyong palagay, lahat ba sa buhay ay nakatadhana na o tao ang gumagawa ng kanyang kapalaran? Bakit? Sa iyong palagay, lahat ba sa buhay ay nakatadhana na o tao ang gumagawa ng kanyang kapalaran? Bakit?
I do think everything happens for a reason. But we humans must be aware of our actions because God gave us free will to do and to choose what is right, to live at the moment, and to trust in the plans of God for the future. Although we didn't know what will happen in the next years or the next months of our lives, as long as our hearts is rooted and connected
and trusting in God. And I believe that no matter what happened, despite of uncertainties, there will always be an assurance that our future will be pretty sure successful because it's in the hand of an all-knowing, omniscient God who is in control of everything. Good evening.
Binibini 22.
Our Binibini number 22 is Maria Elaine Rita.
Thank you very much, Binibini 22. Very nerve-wracking moment, right? Doc Miles? Let's have our next Binibini finalist.
There's our Binibini finalist number 23.
And she is Binibini 23. Take this perfect time and opportunity para pasalamatan ang lahat ng iyong supporters tonight.
I would like to thank my family who, despite having school and classes, especially to my sister, she still managed to come here from Manila. I love you, Resi. And to my brother and my mother and my father as well. Thank you.
All right, good luck. This is your final question. You like your question to be asked in Tagalog or in English?
In Tagalog.
All right, let's do this. Here is your question. Sa iyong palagay, lahat ba sa buhay ay nakatadhana na o tao ang gumagawa ng kanyang kapalaran? Bakit? Sa iyong palagay, lahat ba sa buhay ay nakatadhana na o tao ang gumagawa ng kanyang kapalaran? Bakit?
We can't deny that fate is truly a factor when it comes to our destiny. But I believe that 80% of it is pure hard work. Because even if things are meant for us, if we are not going to be able to put in effort, then success will not come our way. And today, I have the courage to enter this pageant for the second time. I have already said this yesterday, but I am a proud repeater. And I hope that today, the stars will finally align for me. Not because of fate, but because I have the courage to fight again and come back. I want to prove to everyone that I am a transcendental queen with a courageous heart, a substantial mind, and a voice that can uplift the community. Magandang gabi sa Riyaya!
Thank you very much, Binibini 23.
Our Binibini number 23 is Raniel Nixon Montes.
Grabe, patindi po ng patindi, ang painit ng painit ang ating gabi. Thank you very much sa ating pong napaka-energetic na live audience tonight.
And as we can see here, our selection committee cannot agree more. Ayan na.
Now, let's have Binibini number 25. How are you doing tonight? Kamusta?
Well, it's really nerve-wracking. I actually didn't want to leave the isolation room because it's like partying there. But you know what? I've been preparing for this for so long. It's really a long journey. And I think all these hard works, all the sleepless nights, and all the restless days are now paying off. And I am really grateful for all the people who has been supporting me all throughout this journey. Your support and love gives me warmth, and my heart is so full.
All right, I think you're all set and ready for the final question. Let's do this. You'd like your question to be asked in Tagalog or in English? In English. All right. This is your question. In your own opinion, is everything in life already destined? Or do people create their own fate? Why? In your own opinion, is everything in life already destined? Or do people create their own fate. Why?
I believe that everything in life is created by ourselves. We create our own fate. Because in life, as I am here, I grew up feeling always shy because I felt like I didn't fit society's beauty standards. And now, look at me, I am here in this stage, wearing my Morella skin with so much pride, knowing that it's my identity and the identity of my generations. And my story were what made me truly beautiful. And now I am here, and my heart is dedicated to the future of our town, which is the youth. And as a binibining Saryayahin, I am here standing as your ally, as your advocate, and I am working tirelessly to create my own fate, to create a purpose where every young Saryayahin feels empowered, confident, and equipped to build a brighter future for themselves and for our beloved town, Sariaya.
Thank you very much, Binibini 25.
Our Binibini number 25 is Jacqueline Bernardo.
Oh my goodness, Doc Miles, we're down to our final Binibini.
Ayan, at nakita mo talagang all the audience are listening well para sa kung ano magiging kasagutan ng bawat
At talagang
Binibini.
nakatutok ang lahat. At sa lahat po ng ating online viewers tonight, thank you very much po sa mag-tune in hanggang ngayon. Alright, here we go. Let us have Binibini number 26. Hello, kumusta? Pasalamatan mo muna ang iyong supporters tonight. Go ahead.
Thank you po sa tita ko, sa mga pinsan ko na sumusuporta sa akin. Kahit na unti lang po tayong mga manggalang, ay nandito pa rin kayo para suportahan ako. At hindi ko po ine-expect na makasama ako sa top 5 dahil napipili ko po dahil iisip ko na wala po akong nakuhang award. Pero nanatili po ang aking utak at isip na kumapit sa Panginoon. At dito po ako ngayon, tumaharap po sa inyo na confident. Yun lamang po.
Alright, congratulations. Okay, Binibini number 26. This is your final question. Makinig ng mabuti sa akin. Gusto mo ba ito sa Tagalog or in English? In Tagalog, okay. Sa iyong palagay, lahat ba sa buhay ay nakatadhana na o tao ang gumagawa ng kanyang kapalaran? Bakit? Sa iyong palagay, lahat ba sa buhay ay nakatadhana na o tao ang gumagawa ng kanyang kapalaran? Bakit?
You know what? After I faced traumatic experience on my last pageant, I discovered something greater. That is the courage to rise again and to believe in my capability as a beauty queen. Today, I step onto the stage of Ginoo at Binibining Sariaya. I just carry not my beauty, but the value and worth of woman who refuse to let one setback. And as I claim my destiny tonight, I'm standing with unwavering dedication, empowering my fellow Sariayahin, especially the youth, to become an individuals of purpose. And I know in my heart that I am more than ready because I am a Binibining Sariaya destined to lead with passion, dignity, and love for our community. Magandang gabi, Magilas na Sariaya!
There you have it. Binibini number 26.
Binibini number 26, Eureka Jana Mirandilla.
Bigyan po natin ng isang masigabong palakpakan ng ating top 5 Binibinis.
All right.